Today I wanted to show how to use a Google form for student assessment. So Google Forms is this really nice tool that you can push out to students either through Google Classroom or through Gmail if your students have that capability. At our school, for students that are in 4th grade and above, they have Gmail accounts that you can push these out to. For the lower grades, you're going to have to push this out through Google Classroom and then have them access it through that. So this, start a new form, you click on the plus button. You can call it whatever quiz you want. So let's say I wanted to make this a quiz about penguins. Um, so then I type in my question and I could say, where do penguins live? Make it multiple choice. I can make it a short answer, checkbox, drop down, file upload. Since I don't know much about penguins, I'm going to change this to all about you. Um, I'm going to put select 4 activities that you like. And then I'll click the little drop down. So option 1, swimming, hiking, fishing, camping, running, etc. To add a new question, I just click this plus button over here. And that takes me to a new thing right here. What is your teacher's name? Multiple choice. Let's see, that's short answer. So let's click multiple choice. Sometimes it fills it in for you. Oh, Mr. J. Okay, so you can do that. You can also add in, like I said, essay answer, paragraph. You can even add files and things like that. And once you're ready, you can actually send this to your recipients. So let's say you want to send this to your class. You can do that and include the form in the email. You can also do a link to it as well, so you could get a shortened URL and even copy and paste that into Yelkey, like I showed before. So that would be another nice way to share these. So if you're looking for additional ways to share Google Forms, this could be in a way as well. So the Yelkey for that Google form is fly. So as long as students type in yelkey.com/fly, they can use that. So that might be another way to share Google Forms to students that don't have a Gmail account. I've never tried that. I can't guarantee it works, but I don't see why it wouldn't.